Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a donut keychain. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need polymer clay in your favorite donut and frosting colors, along with a small eye pin, a jump ring, and a keychain ring. Don't forget your sculpting tools, a craft knife for precision, and a baking sheet. Finally, have some liquid clay or glaze ready to give your finished donut a delightful, realistic shine. This project is fun and easy. Now let's sculpt the donut base. Take a piece of clay, about 1 inch in diameter, and roll it into a smooth ball. Gently flatten this ball to form the classic donut shape. Next, use a small tool, like a toothpick or a sculpting needle, to carefully create a hole in the center. Make sure to smooth out any rough edges to achieve a perfectly round and appealing donut form. This step is crucial for a realistic look. Time to add the delicious frosting and fun details. Roll out a thin sheet of your chosen frosting color. Carefully cut out a frosting shape that perfectly fits over your donut base. Gently press the frosting onto the donut, and you can even add a little texture with a tool for a more realistic look. For extra charm, add tiny clay sprinkles or other decorative elements. Be creative with your designs. Finally, it's time to bake and assemble your adorable donut keychain. Bake your clay donut according to the polymer clay package instructions, usually for about 15 minutes at the recommended temperature. Once baked, let it cool completely. Then, carefully insert the eye pin into the top of your donut. Use pliers to attach the jump ring to the eye pin and then connect the keychain ring. Your custom donut keychain is now ready to use or gift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.